Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to look at how to download the Solana wallet Phantom and how to transfer crypto to the wallet or even buy crypto directly through the wallet. So, what I always do, I go on Twitter. Crypto is all on Twitter, so please make yourself a Twitter account if you don't have one yet. Then we search for Phantom there, and we can also see they have the golden check mark. This way we don't download a fake wallet. We also see they have over 600,000 followers, and normally when you're in the crypto scene, you'll see some familiar faces from the Phantom organization following them as well. Then we click the link in the bio they have and are directly forwarded to their site. Here we can download the Phantom wallet suitable for our browser. There are various options. In my case, it's the Brave browser that I use, and the wallet can also be downloaded for different browsers. As I said, if you don't have a Twitter account, please make one, because everything related to crypto news and updates, as well as people who could help you in the crypto scene, are there. So once the crypto wallet is downloaded, we will get to a new page. There we'll have two options. Create a new wallet, or if, for example, you already have one, let's say we are creating this now on the computer, and if you want to download the Phantom application on your mobile phone, you can also access the same wallet we are creating right now on your phone. For this, you just have to click I already have a wallet, and then enter the 12 words we're about to create. Press import secret phrase, and then you press put in the 12 words. You see here import secret phrase, and then you have the 12 words. Important is to put the 12 words in the right order. So let's create a new wallet first. Click on create wallet, type in your password. If you forget the password, it's not a big deal as long as you have the secret phrase. The 12 words are very important. If you don't have them, it will be a problem. Now we see we have generated the 12 words. Please write them down in the correct order. It's very important they are in the correct order. Otherwise, you won't have access to the wallet. If you forget your password or want to download the app on your phone and access the same wallet that we just created, you'll need to enter the words in the correct order and never give anyone these 12 words. Please write them down. Don't take a photo or a screenshot for security reasons. It doesn't matter whether you start with 100 euros or 10,000 euros, security should always be the highest priority. Now we've created our wallet, we've written down the words, and now we can log into our wallet with the password we've just created. Then we see we don't have any money in it yet, which is normal. In this video, we'll also look how to transfer crypto. Here we see Solana, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Our account is named account number 1, is displayed here for us. We can add multiple accounts, simply create new ones, and rename them as desired. For example, we are now creating a new account and call it memecoin. You can create multiple accounts or rename them, such as renaming account number 1. Let's rename it to Degen. Now we have created two accounts. We have two accounts, one memecoin and one Degen. And if you ever forget your secret phrase, what can you do if you still have the access to your wallet? It is to go down to settings, click on your account, and on the bottom you will see show secret phrase. You will need to enter your password for this, and then you can view your wallet phrase. Again, and write it down if you have lost your paper. If you think you might not have written it down correctly or something like that, please note this is very, very important. If you lose the words or anything else happens to them, it's gone. The account is gone and there is no help. Phantom cannot help you, no one can. It's simply gone. So take care. Now we want to transfer money or buy crypto. There are two options. The first one, the slightly more expensive option in my opinion, is to buy crypto directly through Phantom. It's the faster way, but also the slightly more expensive one. Here we can simply click on buy crypto and make a purchase. The other one is to deposit money into an exchange like Binance, Maxi, Coinbase or similar, and then transfer it from there to the Phantom wallet. In my opinion, this is the cheaper option, which I also prefer when I have the time. However, buying directly through Phantom is the fast option. Let's demonstrate it. You enter how much you want to buy and you'll see the payment methods, such as credit card or Apple Pay. For example here, 10 bucks. And you have different kind of payment methods and providers to choose from. We'll go with Stripe in this case because it has the lowest fees. We are redirected to their site, and here we see that we are buying $9.92 worth of Solana and receiving approximately 0.05 Solana. Below you can also see the fees incurred during the transaction and the final amount we'll get. This is how you can buy crypto directly through Phantom. It's straightforward, quick and reliable. I've never had any issues with it. Now we'll take a look at how to transfer crypto from an exchange. Now let's look at the other option. For this example, I will use Maxi. It's similar on all exchanges. The buttons might be in slightly different places, but the principle is the same. Let's assume we've deposited euros on the exchange. First thing we need to do is go to spot and trade euros for USDT. I've already done this and now I have already 15 USDT. So first on the right top side you type in Euro USDT. Then you swap your euros for USDT. And after that, we want to change the USDT for Solana, since we want to use the Solana network and transfer it to the Phantom wallet afterwards. So 15 USDT, 100%, and we are buying through the market order. Select 100% buy Solana direct on the market and confirm. The order is executed immediately and now we have around 0.08 Solana. Now we go to our wallet overview on the exchange and click on withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. In our case, it is Solana. Go to your Phantom wallet afterwards to get the right address where you want to send the Solana to. So go to the wallet. We'll click on Solana and then on receive. Copy the wallet address and paste it into the withdrawal form on the exchange. Ensure you're using the Solana network. Then enter the amount. We'll do maximum amount for this case. A small fee will be deducted, of course, as you can see here. And then click submit. In the history section, you'll see the withdrawal as pending, showing details such as the amount, the wallet address, and the fees. The transfer usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the exchange. Solana is generally fast. Now we see the funds in our Phantom wallet, around $13.71, after deducting the fee, of course. This method is cheaper in my opinion, especially for larger amounts, compared to buying directly through Phantom. Once your funds are in the wallet, you can transfer between your accounts, example, from DGEM wallet to the Memecoin wallet. There you can also see afterwards you can see the Solana fees. Here we're using Solana network and also the transaction fees. Solana network is very cheap and also very fast. Phantom also has the features for managing NFTs that we can see for boxes, or you can swap coins directly in the wallet. On the right side you'll find the built-in history. We see here we received and we sent some coins. We received 0.074 Solana, and here we can also see we really got the $13.71. On the right bottom side we see the browser, and here we can also go to websites like Jupiter. Finally, on Binance the process is similar like on MEXC. You have euros, you swap them for USDT, USDT for Solana, and then withdraw Solana to your Phantom wallet using the same steps. You go again to your wallet overview, and then you click on withdraw. Select again your cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw. For us it's Solana. And then again the wallet address. Go to your wallet, receive, and then click the Solana address and paste it in the form. Choose the Solana network to withdraw Solana. The only difference is the minimum withdrawal amount, which is 0.1 Solana on Binance. It's around $20 right now, compared to 0.05 Solana on MEXC. That's it for this video. In the next one, we'll explore what you can do with your Solana, such as buying popular meme coins or using useful platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.